Do you wake up every morning with your hair looking like this? One of the greatest struggles that a lot of women in the SisterLocks community face is dry, crunchy SisterLocks and flaky scalp. You may be experiencing fear and anxiety because you don't know what to do. What if you can get softer, moisturized, hydrated, faster growing SisterLocks? And if you are ready to transform your SisterLocks from looking like this to this, then get ready, because I am going to teach you how to go from dry, crunchy SisterLocks and flaky scalp to hair like this, that's soft, moisturized, and hydrated. Hi, my name is Renee Michelle Floyd, and I am the creator of the Steaming Your SisterLocks Challenge. And I want to take you from dry, crunchy SisterLocks to soft, moisturized, faster growing hair. Now, I created this particular 5-day Steaming Your SisterLocks Challenge for those who desire to have a different walk, who desire to hydrate and moisturize their hair without feeling guilty. By the time this challenge is over, you will have the step-by-step roadmap on what products to use, how to go from dry to moisturize, and you will have all the steps that you need to accomplish the hair goals that you always dreamed of. Click the button below, follow the directions, and I can't wait to see you on the other side.